Good morning, Zayan.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Come on, Zayan. Let's get fresh.
Okay, Mom. Fresh face, fresh smile. Fresh face, big smile.
Time to get fresh.
I am ready.
A little toothpaste?
Like this, Mom?
Perfect.
Ready to brush.
Brush your teeth.
Brush my teeth.
All fresh?
Yes, Mom.
Ready for your bath?
Yes, bath time.
Bath time is good.
I like bath time.
Take your time.
Okay, Mom.
Enjoy your bath, Zayan.
It feels so nice.
Clean and fresh.
Yes, Mom.
Bath time is good.
I like bath time.
Take your time.
Okay, Mom. Milo, that is my shoe. Please move. Chirp! Thank you, honey. Mom, what is that?
It is a surprise.
A lunch surprise?
Yes, a secret Tiffin.
Wow!
Wash your hands.
I wash my hands.
Clean hands first.
Clean hands first.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Eat your breakfast.
Okay, Mom.
Is your breakfast yummy?
Yes, it is yummy.
Eat slowly.
I will, Mom. Can I see it?
Not yet.
Why not?
It is a surprise.
Okay, Mom. Milo, do you smell it? Meow. It smells yummy. It smells yummy. Milo wants to know. Meow.
It is a secret.
A secret for school.
Your secret Tiffin is ready.
My secret Tiffin bag.
Water bottle too. Keep it safe.
I will keep it safe.
Time for your school uniform.
My school uniform.
Put your arms in.
One arm, two arms.
All dressed. Shoes ready.
I'm ready.
All set for school?
All set, Mom.
Remember your surprise?
My big surprise?
Yes, your big surprise.
It is in my bag?
Maybe.
Good morning, honey. Chirp! I am going to school. Tweet!
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Bag?
Ready.
Tiffin?
Ready.
Let's go to school.
Let's go.
Walk with me.
Okay, Mom. School is this way.
Yes, it is.
I am excited.
I am happy for you.
I can see my school.
Yes, you can.
We are almost there.
Almost there. Have a happy school day.
I will, Mom.
Listen to your teacher.
I will listen. Bye, Mom.
Bye, Zayan.
See you later.
See you later. Good morning, Zayan.
Good morning, Miss Emma.
Welcome to school.
Thank you.
Find your seat.
This is my seat. Mine is here.
Great job. Zayan?
Here, Miss Emma.
Ayan?
Here.
What letter is this?
It is A.
Very good.
A is for apple.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Excellent.
Write the letter A.
A, nice writing.
Thank you.
Let's draw an apple.
I can draw one. Me too.
Have fun.
Look, Miss Emma.
What a nice apple.
I made it.
Great work. Now it is lunchtime.
Lunchtime. I'm hungry. Me too.
Let's wash our hands.
Let's wash our hands.
Use soap.
Use soap.
Turn on the water.
Water on.
Wet your hands.
Wet hands.
Add some soap.
Soap on.
Rub your hands.
Rub, rub, rub.
Wash, wash.
Wash, wash, wash.
Front and back.
Front and back. Clean hands.
Wash the front.
Front.
Wash the back.
Back.
Clean between fingers.
Between fingers.
Rub gently.
Rub gently.
Rub gently.
Clean hands.
Rinse your hands.
Rinse my hands.
Wash the soap away.
Soap is gone.
Dry your hands.
Dry my hands. Nice and clean. My hands are clean. My hands are clean too. Now I am ready. Ready for lunch.
Welcome back.
We are back. Are you thinking about lunch? Yes, I am. I am hungry. Me too.
Open your tiffins.
Open my tiffin. I am ready. I am ready too.
Enjoy your lunch.
What is inside? A surprise? Maybe. Open it. Wow! A cute sandwich and apple slices. That looks yummy. Mom made it. Mom had a surprise. A big surprise. Yes, a big surprise. It looks delicious. Oh, what happened? I forgot my lunch. Oh, Ayan. Are you okay? I am a little sad. Why are you sad? I have no lunch. You forgot your lunch? Yes, I did. That is okay. Thank you. I have enough food. I can help. Really? Yes, really. Would you like some? For me? Yes, for you. Thank you, Zayan. You can have apple too. Apple too? Yes, apple too. Thank you. You're welcome.
I see sharing.
I shared my lunch.
That was kind.
Ayan was hungry.
Sharing makes us happy.
Sharing makes us happy. I feel happy.
Good friends share.
Good friends share. Let's share. You can have this. Thank you, Zayan. You're welcome. It is yummy. You like it? I like it. I am happy. Have an apple. Thank you. One for you, one for me. We eat together. We share together. Friends help friends. Friends care. Yes, they do.
Zayan, that was kind.
Thank you, Miss Emma.
You helped your friend.
Ayan needed help.
Kindness is special.
Kindness is special.
Sharing shows kindness.
Sharing feels good. Mom packed my lunch. Your mom made it? Yes, she did. It was a lovely surprise. Thank you for sharing. You're welcome. You are a good friend. You are my friend.
Share and care.
Share and care.
Help a friend.
Help a friend.
Be kind.
Be kind. Clap, clap. Clap, clap.
Share, share.
Share, share. Be kind.
Let's clean up.
Let's clean up. Clean table. Clean table.
School is over.
Time to go home. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Ayan.
Goodbye, boys.
I had a happy day. Me too. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
There is my Zayan.
Mom!
Did you have fun?
Yes, Mom.
Did you eat your lunch?
Yes, I did.
How was school?
It was wonderful.
Tell me about your day.
I have a story.
A story?
I have a story.
A sharing story.
A sharing story. I want to hear it. Ayan forgot his lunch.
Oh, he did?
Yes, Mom.
Was he sad?
Yes, he was. I shared my sandwich.
You shared it?
Yes, Mom.
And your apples?
I shared them too. Milo! Meow. I am home. Hello, honey.
Hello, Zayan.
I had a great day.
That's wonderful.
Ayan forgot his lunch.
Then what did you do?
I shared my food.
That was kind.
We ate together.
Sharing makes hearts happy.
Sharing makes hearts happy.
You have a kind heart.
Thank you, Mom.
Good night, Zayan.
Good night, Mom.
Sleep well. Good night, my dear.
Good night, Mom.